I want to make when I watch this video, you will see what the kidnappers did. They kidnap full bus, other Sienna, this thing, all the passenger, they kidnap them. Just
good morning, sir.
hear it by yourself. I'm coming back again.
Please, it's like you are the leader of Ahaba Imeni.
Yes.
Okay. You know where people gathered here this morning?
Yeah.
You can see there's military everywhere. You can see everywhere. You can see their vehicle everywhere. So, and you can see one Sienna that victim been taken away. What happened?
Yeah. Around 9-10 o'clock tomorrow, yesterday. So I was intimated by our industrial son, telling me about the ugly situation that some people that attacked kidnappers, they blocked the road. They used one of the firewoods and they blocked the road. So we went as much as we can to involve the security agents, which when I called the commander, the commandant, 143 battalion, he responded simultaneously and sent his troops. And lo and behold, since that time till present, they've sacked the whole bush. It was from the car there, you can see the white car, and the driver, they made away with the driver and about 8 passengers. So till present, they're still looking for them. So they took them inside the bush, and this has been a trait. And I can only urge even the local government chairman, any other person that is being involved, let us come for our rescue. This is several, so because this thing is too alarming. This is everyday story along this street, and we cannot achieve it without the collaboration of Akole, Amoji, and Ahaba. That's the only thing we can do. And those people blocking the roads, using their firewood to block the roads, those are the things that give them edge over trying to drop or stop any coming vehicle, because the governor did a good job by giving us a good road. So at a high speed, the only thing that can make you to stop whenever you see maybe any obstruction on the road, that's the only time you can apply your brake. And when the thing is being done, they will just come out from the bush and collect the people they want and enter the bush. So this is a very alarming situation.
Okay.
This is just a risk.
Is this the first time that this thing is happening, or has it happened before?
It has happened several times, not even, but this is the latest.
So which people are you calling on to come and help?
Any person, even asking for possibly the state governor, the local government chairman, even the individuals who is sued, because who might know the next victim. So that's our only interest, so that let's know what we can do to stop this process. It's very obvious.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Dr. The PG of Ahaba Imeni Kingdom. Local government. You are a good person. I think the government will see to this and they do the needful immediately. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
This is the condition we see ourselves in it. This is the situation everywhere in Nigeria. Insecurity everywhere. Travel from the east to south. Insecurity. From the west to north. Insecurity everywhere. Nobody is safe in Nigeria. Nobody is safe. This one that happened either yesterday now. Yes, this one came online. How much more other ones where we know they see online? Every day by day, they are kidnapping people in this country. Both in Igbo land, the Yoruba land, the Niger Delta region, northern part of Nigeria. That place now, every day by day. I'm telling the truth. The thing is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. Every day by day. And the most especially Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram. Now them be the people. I know say some other tribes, some other tribe they kidnap, yeah, but now them be the main problem. These terrorists that are tormenting this country called Nigeria. And since when they do this thing now, what you see? Our leaders, no one take any strong action to pursue them out from Nigeria. That is the problem. They no one take any strong action to pursue these people. Sometimes I ask myself, Fulani herdsmen every day, slaughtering people, butchering people. Now, Why government no one stop this financial their cow? Ban cow. Cow need to ban in Nigeria. Cow has caused more harm in Nigeria than anything. This cow they are using there because they are using that cow to slaughter people. They will use cow. They will enter to people's farm, destroying within their plants in their farm. If the farmer came out to speak, they will butcher the person. So cow need to ban in Nigeria. Government need to ban cow. They that they don't need cow to be going up and down everywhere in Nigeria. But they will keep quiet because now all of them are the same thing. If say Nigerian politicians are not sponsoring this thing, for now, cow, then go ban cow in Nigeria. But they will not do it. It's a very terrible situation. Those people now where they can enter bush now. Those people where they can enter bush. Some of them will survive, some will not survive. But I pray that all of them will survive there. I pray that all of them will survive. I pray that they will survive. I don't understand what is happening in this country called Nigeria.